Hey guys, welcome back to Matrixploit and welcome to our Linux series. Today we are going to learn about locate and find command. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So we are on our terminal now, so we'll just get a small brief of what is locate. We'll just open a manual for locate, that is man locate, and here it is. List files in database that matches a pattern. Whatever files that are in this database in our machine, so these files it is going to locate. So we are just going to use it. We have to type in locate, and then what we want to locate, we'll put it in single quote or double quote, whatever you want to use. You can use, then locate. I'll use password. I want to locate password.conf file, let's say, and I want to locate it in etc directory. So I'll put it as like this. So whatever directory path is having etc, and in that directory path if there is password.conf in it, so it is going to list that stuff to me. I can combine it with pipe as well. So what does pipe is going to do? It will going to take the output from the previous command and change it to the input for the next command. So it will going to work like grep. I'm going to grep /etc. So basically it is going to highlight all the stuff which is having etc directory. I'll make it a little bit small. So all these directories are having password.conf word in. So I can do it like head. If I type in head, so it will going to give me first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. First 10 line it will going to give me. This head command, it is specifically for listing the top 10 result. And if you want more result, then we can specify head -20. So it will going to give me first 20 results. Okay. Now moving further, I can modify this command with, let's say I want to get the word count, line count, whatever line, whatever result it is giving. So I'll just remove the head from here and I'll just put how many result this particular command is giving. It is giving around 12,544 results. So I don't want this type of this results. So I can give it like head, and then I can check it with wc-l. wc is the command to get the word count of particular output. Whatever output we are getting, it will give only the word count. That's it. Then we can move further. Wrapping up with locate command, we will move to find command now. Find is another tool, another command which we can use to locate particular files from the system. In the system, whatever system having a file in it, we can grep those files, we can locate those files where they are actually. So now we are going to do it. Simply you have to type find, and then you have to make it like where you want to search for. Let's say find /etc, and then what you want to find, that will be specified with the name. So let's say it will be password and enter. So it will give me this output. This particular output is giving. So other whatever stuff it is giving, I can add sudo so that it will not give an error, right? So it is giving me output without error. But if you want this thing work without the error, and the desired output you want to list only this thing you want to list, and this error, permission denied, whatever errors are there, if you want to remove them thing and don't want to see, so you just have to specify error redirection. So this 2 and greater than sign helps to redirect all the errors to particular location. So basically we use like dev/null, and it will going to give us this only the output without removing all the errors and redirecting all the errors to the dev/null. Here all the errors has been redirected. We can modify this find command according to our need. It's having so much of things in it. So before proceeding further in it, we will simply go to OverTheWire. OverTheWire is a website on which you can practice Linux things, Linux commands you can practice. So I'll quickly get on to that. OverTheWire. I'll get on to level 0. So here we are on OverTheWire. So here I'll just copy this, and to log into this I just have to paste SSH and then Bandit, which level you want to get onto, that will be 0 @ and then this host name you have to paste, and then the port number will be 2220. That's it, and then you have to press enter. After getting onto this level, or after getting onto this particular user, you have to enter the password, and the password is given here, that is Bandit 0. I'll just paste the password, enter. Now I'll be entering into that particular level, that machine. So here I'll simply list whatever stuff it is. So there is one readme file, I'll just cat it, that is cat readme. I'm getting the password for the next level, that is the root user. Now I'll try to put OverTheWire, and yes, I'll just copy the password, I'll paste it over here, and this file I'll be going to maintain for the password stuff. Now I'll exit this user. Now I'll go to Bandit 1. So Bandit 1 will be having the password as like this. This will be the password for Bandit 1. And yes, I have been logged into Bandit 1. Now I'm going to list here this file. How to cat this file? Actually, this is a file. How to cat this file? If I try with normal stuff, it will not going to. I have to cat it with cat, then dot slash, and then the file name. File name is like this. So I have got the password for next level. So I'll put it over here, and I'll just exit it, Control D, and I have exited. Now I'm going to type here Bandit 2. So Bandit 2 will be, again type, it is a network issue. Due to the network issue, sometimes you'll get that kind of error. So yes, I'll just copy it, paste it, enter, and I am inside level 2. So here is my Bandit 2. I'll just long list again what is stuff over here. So this file name is having space in between it. So how you can eliminate the space? By providing the backslash. By providing the backslash, you can eliminate the spaces. So you can do it like back and then space slash space in slash space this slash space file name, enter. So you can get the content, the password for the next level. I'll put it over here, and now I'm going to exit this thing. I'll put it over here, Bandit 3. So it will prompt me for password. I'll just copy this password, I'll paste it over here and enter. Okay, now I am inside Bandit 3. Here also a long list in here. So I'll just get inside this CD in here, enter. A long list over here. So it is having nothing. I'll just check what this level says from 3 to 4. The password for the next level is stored in a hidden file in the in here directory. So to list the hidden file, you have to type ls space -la. So basically A flag is for listing the hidden files. It's for listing the stuff which is having dot in front of it. So I'll just put over here. I'm getting the hidden file. What I'll do, cat hidden, enter. I've got the password. I'll just make an entry over here and paste it, and I'll just exit the machine. Now I'm going to enter into Bandit 4. So Bandit 4, it will going to ask me the password. I'm copying this password of previous level. I've got the password from previous level and paste it. Now I'm inside the Bandit 4. Now Bandit 4, I'll just long list the stuff. Here also one more in here directory is here. So I'll get into it, ls space -la. Okay, so many files are there, so there must be an int for this thing for level 4 to 5. So for level 4 to 5, the password for the next level is stored in the only human readable file in the in here directory. Tip: if your terminal is messed up, try the reset command. We don't need that reset command. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use find command over here. How? Find, and then what you want, where you want to find? In the current directory. Current directory represented with dot sign, dot symbol. Find space dot. Then you have to specify what you want to find. That will be hyphen type. Hyphen type and then space, and then what is your type? Is it a directory or a file? You want to find a file. Then you have to specify F and then space. Now I am going to redirect the output to xargs, xarg, and this command is going to make the input for the next command. So the next command is file. So basically, file command is used to get what type of file is there. So I'm going to hit enter. Here it is showing among all this file 00, file 01, file 02, file 03, file 04, file 05, all these files. Among these files, file 07, this file is showing ASCII text. So I'll just do one thing, cat dot slash, as it is having hyphen in front of it, I have to specify it names with dot slash in front of it. Dot represents current directory, slash represent what you want to cat. So dot slash hyphen file, and that will be 7. So I'll put 7 and enter. So I've got the password for next level. I'll just make an entry over here. Okay, now here I'm going to exit this level and I'm going to enter into Bandit 5. So Bandit 5 is here. I'll just copy this password. I'll paste it over here and enter. Yes, I'm inside this level. Now I'll just long list again what it is over here in here. So I'll just move inside in here, long list again. Okay, there are so many files than previous level. Now let's take the hint over here. What is the hint? We are on 5th, so 5 to 6. But it is saying the password for the next level is stored in a file somewhere under the in here directory and has all the following properties. So it is human readable, so we can xarg the file. It is having a bytes in size, okay, and not executable. Okay, great. So we'll just use manual for this find command, and here we'll search for how to specify size. So if we get that thing, hyphen size, we can specify it with hyphen size. Next, I want to specify it is in byte rate. So for byte, we have to specify C in front of it. Okay, so we have to specify it like this. I'll just quit it. Okay, we will now we will give a shape to our command. Find, where you want to find? Current directory. So find space dot, and then you have to specify hyphen type. What is our type? That is file. F is for file, D is for directory. Then here in our case it will be file, and then size will be, what is the size? Size here is 1033C. So for bytes we have same, C is for there, and then we want to make it not executable. So the operator is not, and then EXEC, executable, EXEC, and we'll try to enter it. I'll just try for executable, and I'll just xarg the output to, yes, as usual, file, and then I'll try to enter. So it is giving me this, maybe here 7. So inside maybe here 7 there is file 2. So this, I'll just copy this file path. What I'm going to do, cat, yes, now yeah, I've got the password. I'll just make an entry for the another level, and the level will be Bandit 6. So Bandit 6, will move on to Bandit 6. What is Bandit 6 going to give us? We'll just check over here what is Bandit 6 is for. So it is for the password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all the following properties: owned by user bandwidth, owned by group Bandit 6, and size is okay. All the elements are known. So find, we'll just long list it first. Okay, it is not showing anything. Okay, great. What is saying, the password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server, so we have to search for whole server. So find slash under slash, we have to search for everything. Then we are going to do it like find slash, and then we are going to specify -user. What is the user? User is Bandit 7, and then space, then -group. Here the -group is Bandit 6th. Okay, now the size is 33 bytes, that will be 33C, and I'm going to redirect all the errors to /dev/null. Enter. Yes, I got it. Okay, so let's see what happen if I remove this error redirection. You see, I'm going to get all the other kind of stuff which I don't need, that also displayed over here. So I don't want this, so that's why I have specified error redirection. The error redirection is to >sign /dev/null. So I'll just cat the file, I'll just paste it over here, and I got the password for the next level, and that is the level 7. I'll just exit it, I'll just move into level 7. So most probably level 7 will be out of the scope for this video. The password for the next level is stored in the data.txt next to the word millionth. Okay, so this will be out of the scope for this video. We'll keep it as it is. Okay, so just tell me how you like this video. Okay, here we can grep this thing. Yeah, grep we have covered till now, so we can do it like grep, and which word it is saying, so millionth, right? So I'll just grep it, and I got the password for Bandit 8. So I'll make it entry over here, and I'll just do enter into Bandit 8 and enter. So here I have been logged into Bandit 8, and what it is showing, enjoy your stay. Okay, that's it. Let's check what is there inside this Bandit 8. If we are having it, the password for the next level is stored in the data.txt and is the only line of the text that occurs only once. Okay, so we are going to sort the stuff. Here we are going to sort it. I'll just cat the data.txt file, and what I'm going to do, wc-l. So it is showing me 1001 entries. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to sort them. Now if I list, see, every word, every line is having double entry. So what I'll do, I'll just do unique. Unique is for sorting, is sorting alphabetically in ascending order, and unique is, it will going to show me all the unique entry. That's it. Now enter. See, all the unique entry I'm getting. Now I'm going to specify unique -c. It is giving me 10, and here it is. So this entry is only for one time. So this is our main password for the next level. I can make it more easy, unique -c, and I can make it again sort. Okay, the last entry will be of this thing, sort -n. Yes, now here is the first entry. Again, I can make this command more big, and I can make it like head. No need to go further down, and here it is. So I can do it like, I have got the password for next level. I'll make it here. Okay, I'll remove this thing. I can remove it with nano over the wire. I'll just move inside the another level, and that will be your Bandit 9. Bandit 9 password we have got for Bandit 9 is here. It was the password. You just copy it, paste it. Okay, Bandit 9, what it is saying, just check. The password for the next level is stored in the data.txt in one of the few human readable string preceded by several is equals to characters. Okay, so we'll keep till this will be going out of the scope now. And yeah, that's it for today. Let me know in the comment how today's session was, how it was solving the levels, and do solve this particular website. Do solve all the levels of this particular website. It is quite interesting to solve this. I have already solved, I think, 8 levels, so you can proceed further. You have to start from 0. In order to get on to the next level, you have to have the password of the next level. And how will you get that? You can get that with the solving the previous level. Only that is the way you can get the password. Okay, so that's it for today. Meet you in the next session. Peace out.